Hello, my name is Anton and I'm Chief Architect at ProfiSeaLabs.com. There is a feature called Cloudguard. So Cloudguard is the performance and security recommendations. Like performance recommendations, for example, instance type is from previous generation. So I have a couple of the instances which are using the instance type from a previous generation. For example, M5 versus M5A. M5A is more modern instance type, and usually it's even cheaper than the previous generation. So it basically gives a recommendation to change my instance type. From the security perspective, I have user accounts which didn't change their key for too long. Too long is basically 90 days, 3 months. From performance, I have deprecated services, 78 of them. So I still use the classic load balancer for different services, which is bad. Classic load balancer already not supported by AWS. I need to move to ELB or ILB. So yeah, that's what I will need to do. It's a lot of them.